Let's do a Bloody Caesar.
Oh, yeah. I haven't had one of these.
This came to us from Jennifer Smith.
Thank you, Jennifer.
I had to go to the store and find this clam-infused tomato juice that I'm not excited about.
Okay.
Clamato. Clamato? How do you say it? Tomato, Clamato?
I guess.
It sounds like an STD. I'm afraid of what this is going to smell like.
Then don't smell it and just make the drink.
I gotta smell it. It smells like tomato juice.
Can we make the drink now?
Tall glass. 2 ounces of vodka. There's a lot of vodka in this.
What's a lot?
2 ounces.
Oh.
Don't you always say when I pour gin?
Depends on the drink.
Yeah, when I pour gin.
2 ounces of vodka? Okay. 1/4 ounce of gin? Too much.
6 ounces of
Clamato.
camel toe. 2 ounces of camel toe.
Okay. I don't see any bacon. Don't you put bacon in one of these? And celery and some
I don't know, since it's got clam.
pickles?
Since it's got clam, you should probably put sausage in it. Like a wiener?
Like a beef stick?
Yes. A teaspoon of sriracha. That's gonna spice things up a little bit.
Just a smidgettle.
A teaspoon of prepared horseradish. What's this smell like?
Horseradish.
Oh.
Are your sinuses clear now?
Oh.
What's wrong with you? That seems like so much.
I think I'll take that one.
Oh my.
Is this how much you want?
Let's put that much in there. You're gonna cry.
Damn it. A splash of sauce, of juice from this. Cocktail onions. Some of this juice.
This is super complicated.
Well, this is Jennifer Smith's recipe, so a splash of this juice. Ooh. I gotta know what these taste like.
I'm gonna assume they taste like onions. They're a little crunchy.
Wanna try one?
Nope.
It's so good.
No, your face says otherwise. Thank you.
It's really vinegary. I don't like vinegar. A splash of Worcestershire sauce.
It smells very oniony in here right now.
Wait until the horseradish mixes into this thing. A dash of sweetened lime juice.
Like 18 ingredients in this drink.
Is that a splash?
I think so. Oh.
Look at all the horseradish in mine. Somebody went nuts.
Oh, I don't like things floating in my drinks. Can I have a straw? Oh.
I know why you don't like floaties in your drinks.
Why?
Because we had children. And we would give them the community water in the car.
Backwash.
And then you'd get it back with things that shouldn't be in it.
No floaties in my drinks. I don't trust floaties.
All right, well, cheers to a Bloody Caesar from Jennifer Smith.
Thank you, Jennifer. Oh, man. Oh, that's so good. I still don't like the floaty thing, but...
I'm not a huge Bloody Mary fan, but this is really good.
It is. You know what's interesting about it, though? Still very Bloody Mary tasting. But even though you put a really small amount of that sweetened lime, I can taste it.
Well, for me, horseradish.
Oh, let me taste yours because yours has so much in it. It's like settling. Oh, look at it all.
Somebody put a lot of horseradish in their drink.
Yeah. Oh, that's like eating sushi.
Oh, yours is a lot more balanced.
Yeah. I would do this again.